Sir Isaac Newton was the one who discovered gravity.
Can you tell me more about him?
Sure. Sir Isaac Newton was born in December 25th of 1642, and he had discovered gravity in the late summer of 1666. He invented the calculus and provided clear understanding. He also discovered physics. He was also one of the greatest scientists in history, but sadly he had died in 1727.
Thank you for the information.